All India Radio Trichanpur Hongkipon Hiangna FM megahertz dal khat point lia panahi ole tun jing sang dak sagi le minute som lia gin to gitonin jing sang thudak la khom man ngai ne mapan ingai ding Trichanpur district a mi somin malaria na nave Trichanpur district a malaria PF khat mukhiak nungin tu kumpailel sungin malaria case ki mukhia teng mi som phahi Malaria PF mukhia ka om damlo pen zezo PHC Noya Kulyan PHSC Wam Sunga El Phai Mola Khosa Hia Malaria PF mukhia Jagin Dr. Thangpa Sirto State Project Officer SPO NVBDCP Manipur Makain State Team le Dr. Tineng Khan Mang District Malaria Officer Churchanpur Makai District Team 10 Zanin El Phai Mol Khwa Phau Hi El Phai Mol Khwa Pha Khunwa State Headquarter apan Dr. Thangpa Sirto SPO NVBDCP Manipur Makain N Nabakisor IEC Consultant Ranjit MPW le L Jila Singh Driver Telua District Malaria Office Churchanpur apan Dr. Tineng Khan Mang DMO Makain Lianbiak Thang Songpo DO L Lian Thang MHS James Pumthian Lam MTS Saitin Pau Pion le Laram Hlun Driver Teluhi District Malaria Officer Makain State apan NVBDCP Team 10 El Phai Mol Khwa PFK Stokesai Investigation Mass Screening Bana Epidemiological le Entomological Investigation Bolo Hin Leng Thokesahi El Phai Mol SJ Zoa Zanma in Mass Blood Slide Collection Bolin Mizani le som thum se santes abol nawa avekun negative a Mass Blood Slide Collection Bol huna Lamthling Haizang Asa Manevak SJzo Asa Biakjing Singat Si Asa Chin Khoneng El Phai Mol Asa in Medical Team te ki thwa pi uhi Wailawin takal somni lali paita sunga malaria PFB khat mu hiak be a omto kitonin district sunga tu kumpailel sungin malaria case ki mukheza som phata a waite lakami khat si in midangya damsiang khinu a malaria ve mu khiak thaka ompen malaria department in treatment pan pau hi Churchanpur district a tu kumpailel adinga malaria case masapen a hi le a paisa me ni som ni legiat kumsang ni som ni in mu khiak kinoma wai hunin henglep sub division sunga om tui kot khwa ateng pasal kumsom lile sagia upale pasal kumsom le thuma upayin malaria PF beua himale pasal kumsom lile sagia upa thangnei lian pen et kolman lawin si hi wainungin me ni som ni lekwa kumsang ni som ni in singat sub division sunga teng bolkot khomi pasal kumsoma upa khatin malaria PF ve a hi dan the khia kinoma waini ma in kang bai sub division sunga om Pengjang khomi pasal kumsom ni le thoma upa in malaria PV a hi dan the khia kin om hi zoni khat kumsang ni som ni in singa sub division sunga bolkot khomi no mei kumsom ni le gyata upa le pasal kumsom ni le gyan ma upa in malaria PV ve a hi dan the khia kinama zoni nga kumsang ni som ni in gang pi mal khomi pasal kumsom lia upa in malaria PV ve a hi dan the khia ka om nonin Zoni som ni le ni kumsang ni som ni in panglian khomi pasal kumsom ni le nia upa in malaria PV a hi dan the khia khia amau teng hoi taka treatment bolin malaria PV a hi nungin anat nawa pandam siang hi malaria case ki mu khiak namun tia Dr. Tineng Khan Mang District Malaria Officer le NVBDCPT Minmi PT laka malaria pan ki vending dan sin sangna nei zelo a RDT le blood slide collection leng bo zelo hin ki gen hi Imphal Airport Area a Containment Zone Bir Tikendrazit International BTI Airport Imphala Surya Block a quarantine a omlel CISF ASG personal somle khatin COVID-19 na veuhi yai to gisayin Director General of Health Services EMR Division Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Tupiak Bozui Nale The Manipur Epidemic Disease COVID-19 Regulations 2020 Nwaya Thune ina zangin Narim Province Singh Deputy Commissioner of Imphal West District in Airport Area Containment Zone in Puanghi. Containment Zone up Puana hi to kitonin Y area lut le port phalhilawa School Office le mipi kipun khom na phal a hi lo bana gari tai to leng phalhilo hin thaswakin taklang hi to bana Manipur Chief Minister Secretariat Complex sa Duty National Health Mission NHM staff khatin COVID-19 na naviya hi dan mu hiya ka hi to kitonin Secretariat Complex Containment Zone apuanin omhi. Director General of Health Services EMR Division Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Tupiak Bo Suinale the Manipur Epidemic Disease COVID-19 Regulations 2020 nwaya thunei na zanga containment zone apuanam hidanin Deputy Commissioner Info West in Taglang hi. Chief Minister Secretariat at COVID-19 Command Control Room at Duty NHM staff khat positive hi dan thi swa. Hiya aman July somni lekhatin senapati phain alomti khat to lilong heroi bi apan COVID positive doctor khat kimu pi khaw a senapati apan hongking nung July somni leni nin COVID-19 Command Control Room phakha hi. Lamphel CP Quadra ommi khat COVID-19 positive ahi dan thi so ahi siakin Deputy Commissioner in Info West Lamphel Area Containment Zone in Puanga Hei Zone in Malam North CP Quarter number 30 Tumlam West Caesar Road Swalam East CP Quarter number 17 le Home Guard Outpost konga IVR GT Huamding hi Mimal Institution ahi kele Organization Kwahiam Containment Dan Bo Sia Omle Section 188 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 Pansanin ko nabiak hiding chi in order in Taglang hi District Health Society National Health Mission Churchanpur Sainai na paisa kalui kigin ni July somni lenga kumsang ni somni sun madak som leki mapanin GNM School of Training Churchanpura training on non-invasive ventilator COVID-19 kichine uhi Waihuna Medical Superintendent District Hospital Churchanpur Nwaya Medical Officer Dr. Tetelwa training at Dr. Thanglom Lal Hang Singh MD Physician District Hospital Churchanpur le Dr. Letko Haukip MD Anesthetist District Hospital Churchanpur Ten Sinsak Napiao hi Training at Dr. VC Pauton Singh Chief Medical Officer CMO Churchanpur Bana COVID Care Center le Isolation Ward Duty Medical Officer Dr. Misomni Lekwaleng Kihaluhi Training a hi le tulay na hileng Coronavirus COVID-19 veiken khat na nadang ziaka hui di khaksa sa adyakin ajma le om nani midang to ki banglawa et kol ngai te kep ding dan to ki sai hiya waibang mi te oxygen piak le ventilator zanga kep ngayu ahi to kitona ventilator zat dan ding to ki sai emote training piaka omo hin ki gen hi Tulalin District Hospital Churchanpur ventilator thum omlela waite apoimo hunhuna zat the diaman sa ko ya om hin ki gen hi ya hun zat na saulo ingai ding Churchanpur District a positive case ki mukheteng laka case jale somsagi lekwana hidingin a paisa July somni leli kumsang ni somni taglama case thakhat mukhia ka omto kitonin zanin Integrated Disease Surveillance Program IDSP apan team khatin to positive patient pento midang ko ki het khaw hiam chi contact tracing ball hi district adinga Positive case zale somsagi lekwana ding ki mukhiang namun ahile Psycho Task Force na et kayu Psycho ITI Community Quarantine Center hiya pasal kum somthuma upa pen positive ahi dan the hiak nungin COVID Care Center et colding in pokhiak ngal hiya himale midang to ki het kha om ding launain District Surveillance Officer Dr. Ngani Kim Haukiple John Baite Epidemiologist IDSP Churchanpurin ITI Psycho Phain Contact tracing bolo hi ITI psycho ta ahi le tulalin positive pasal pensim loin returnees no mei kwale pasal somlani ki gommi somni lekhat omlelu a amaute Delhi Guwahati Dehradun West Bengal Kolkata Dimapur Hyderabad Gurgaon le Uttar Pradesh ahong ki pante hi u hi ya hunsa na salo ingai non ding
suspect liya na which is on cut the distance maintain bin lang ipyam mass to atam join bol phat lo chu nang kisai te to lo ite so second bang phat ya second at result na bon wa negative la chu in lang home quarantine ding ala positive second sample ang khat hum positive la chun another ni bi ni nga no home bete ni dang adi chu misagi symptom ya so bang cpr chu second sample ong mi kha chu nu me pa ham pasal khadam go nong positive le ite anu ki koi khom lo di cho a khu khuwa new newa nong ki koi thang di na tati chu kholang sai le singa tai na kholang sai kot lang tui bung lang new lam kalang ta hong ki su kham di nei jiwa chu na cha chu tu ta dia chu hi ta nong phot yu ya hoi selin norms maintain in lang hand hygiene mask in lang atabo khusi bu si lo le halka problem nei kha le chun direct and volunteers ho to kam say pe lo chu na amon medical thing in contact na at the earliest sa na nang didi close next is Chennai and next will be other states so Delhi is the most highly affected so you four are together in one room is better than mixing with the other people no? Like from Guwahati and all but you have to take extra precautions too Delhi Kolkata na but still Kolkata also there are some few positives are there all the part of the country is affected but Delhi you have to take extra precaution okay so you never know while traveling in flight or where you were staying it could be your roommates were positive and there were some instances their roommates were positive they came here who positive khana so
District Numeiti adin online competition omding Beti Pachao Beti Parao Chuchampur Sainain Chuchampur District Sunga Numeiti adingin mabana online competition omdinga Ogasni Get Kumsangni Somi Taklam Dangatanin BBBPC chuchampur@gmail.com submit theding hi online competition na category tinga pan asyam pen thum tan tel khia khidinga cash prize le BBB t-shirt pia kheding hi online competition atil 10 min le phone number pia ngai dinga email phone number tung ton in ki paman nga ding te thi sakheding hi kidem na mi khata den item ni tan tel thei ding hi category khanna storytelling contest a team din my struggle chi sa thedinga nume class 7 tan sim te tel thei ding bana minute thum song heding hi category ni singing competition a BBBP la song to ke sai bana la thak new compose leng sak thei dinga class dapan atung lam nu mei tel thai ding hi category 3 art craft a BBBP logo gel kidem na ni hidinga category 3 anu mei ting tel thai ding hi thuchian kimso the nuam ten DC office le ZTO Chuchampura moi nodal officer BBBP kyanga kan thai ding hi guest news SAS July ni gyata pan August ni som kumsang ni somni kimzo a me ni som thuma pan July ni som thum kumsang ni somni bana Bungwal India na up to date guest poimo kwa pe win lak thei ding ole to sing sang tutak lakhom isim khyak thei le ipon khyak thei hai ting a hi ngai khi tu te om nuam le to ni hun sat nuam